One cut cooking is the first step to looking like you know what you're doing. Let's give it a try. One cut cooking is the first step to looking like you know what you're doing. Let's give it a try. One cut cooking is the first step to looking like you know what you're doing. Let's give it a try.
Welcome back again, hopefully. Thanks for coming back, if you are coming back. We're cooking the most simple curry you could possibly imagine. It's a 3-can curry, a couple of extra ingredients I'm throwing in there just to spruce it up, but super simple, super easy. Let's get started. First things first. Throw a little bit of oil, bottom of a pot, and start heating that guy up. You never need to use too much oil. It spreads itself real thin. Second thing second, as always, we like to throw half an onion in pretty much every meal we got here. So half an onion, chop it up.
One cut cooking is the first step to looking like you know what you're doing. Let's give it a try.
Toss that right in that pot that's heating up. And I've got a little bit of garlic here, a couple of cloves, a few cloves, and I mince those up too.
One cut cooking is the first step to looking like you know what you're doing. Let's give it a try.
All minced and made a mess of. We'll wait for that pan to heat up and these onions to cook down just a bit. And let's open up our 3-can curry. First can, we got chickpeas. There's your protein, your fiber. It's got a lot of good stuff in it. Delicious. Open it up and drain it. Second can, we got a can of diced tomatoes. Open that up. And third, can of coconut milk. Give it a good shake. And open that guy up. We're all set. Those onions are starting to sound like something's happening, so I'm going to toss in that garlic. And that's all the chopping for this whole meal. I know, I'm sad too, but sometimes you can't just cut up a bunch of vegetables. Gotta go easy, simple, quick, 3-can curry. Those chickpeas go right on top of that pile. Followed by some tomatoes. And that coconut milk. Beautiful. We've got one final ingredient, and that is this garam masala. You get it at pretty much any grocery store. You'll find it in any different shapes and sizes, but garam masala means basically a mixture of a bunch of spices. This one brought all the way from India, all the way from, where did I get this? New Delhi, I think. Pretty excited to be able to bring that back and use it here. And it's the final ingredient for this beautiful mixture, the most simple curry I could ever come up with. So add a fair amount of that. I don't know, a couple of teaspoons, maybe a tablespoon of that. Depends how strong your spice is. Some spices have a little bit more potency than others. Stir it. And get it up to a nice simmer, and you just let it sit there and cook down a little bit, thicken up. Oh, it's delicious. I'm gonna throw some rice on while this is marinating itself into a beautiful mixture, and that'll be the whole meal. I'll probably come back and show you what it looks like when it's done, but bit of rice. Throw it on top of some cooked rice. Delicious, simple, easy, quick curry. Please try this out. Today is the day.
It's the first step to looking like you know what you're doing. Let's give it a try. One cut cooking is the first step to looking like you know what you're doing. Let's give it a try.
Rice is done. Curry is looking a lot of fun. Makes you want to serve it right away, but you know it's too hot. Let that cool off just a sec. Serve up that rice. It's not so much of a Nate plate as a Nate bowl. There's a curry. Pretty much anyone can get behind. If you're a vegetarian, if you're a celiac, this one's good for you. I love it. You should try it. I can't because it's too hot, but today is the day. Make yourself a chickpea 3-can curry. Thanks for watching, guys.
Like you know what you're doing, let's give it a try.
This mouth scathing is brought to you by people with cameras in their kitchens. Whoa. Oh. Simply too hot. Completely inedible. Need to let it cool down. Today's the day. Make yourself a curry.